welcome back to my channel, Relearning to Draw at 55 years old. We're starting with You Can Draw in 30 Days with Mark Kistler, his book, and it's been over probably 40 years or so since I've drawn. So if you want to see my progression, you'll go back into my videos and take a look. I feel like I'm getting better. My hand's a little more stable. I'm still erasing a lot, but that's part of it. I'm learning. So this one is part 2 of the rose/flag, and we're on lesson 9. So it's kind of his interpretation of a rose, which isn't bad. It was kind of fun to draw. I like shading a lot. That's where I'm really putting my focus on, because I do eventually want to draw animals and pets with fur and try and get as much detail as I can. I'm not going to do hyper realistic. I'm just going to do what I see, and hopefully it looks good. But that's on down the line a little bit. I do have another book I bought. We'll get into that, but it's Draw 200 Animals. I don't know how many of those I'm going to get through, but I want to get some animal practice in before I actually start on my pets. I don't want my little dog Bella to look like a lion or a deformed animal. So I'm going to try and get as much practice as I can in before I start with animals and pets that I can recognize, and try and get their facial details good. So you can join me on that journey too, and we can see where it goes. I wanted to pick up a pencil after seeing my brother start his channel. His link is in my description. Take a look at his stuff. But I encourage you to pick up a pencil or draw or do something. That's very relaxing. So thanks for joining, and we'll see you again on the next video. See if I continue to improve. Thanks.